The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is a versatile and essential tool across industries like clean pipeline systems, natural gas networks, nuclear energy, food and beverage production, chemical processing, and electronics manufacturing. Let's focus on its use in natural gas and high-pressure systems. In the natural gas sector, pipelines must meet rigorous standards to safely transport pressurized gases. The TATE machine ensures strong, leak-proof welds, capable of withstanding high pressures and extreme environmental conditions. Its automated orbital welding system delivers consistent results, eliminating weak points in pipeline connections. Whether working on gas pipelines in urban areas or long-distance transport systems, the TATE welding machine guarantees durability and efficiency. Its adaptability to various pipe diameters and materials, such as stainless steel and special alloys, makes it the perfect solution for high-pressure pipeline projects. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, offering OEM/ODM services to customize solutions for your unique needs.